Chapter 12 Architect of Life Scarcity that Shapes Every Living Form. Humans see scarcity as a threat. When something becomes rare, energy, food, water, space, security, they call it crisis. They consider scarcity a condition to avoid, control, or eliminate. But Earth has never offered abundance as the normal state. From the beginning, scarcity has been the foundation that shapes the direction of life. The reality is simple. Without scarcity, there would be no life. Not intelligent life, not large life. Even simple life would be impossible without scarcity. Scarcity has been the architect of every biological innovation for 3.8 billion years. Scarcity forces life to find new paths. When energy sources are unstable, life does not complain or wait. Life transforms. Respiration emerged because of chemical energy scarcity. Photosynthesis emerged because of food scarcity. Fermentation emerged because of oxygen scarcity. Migration emerged because of spatial scarcity, and the human brain emerged because of security scarcity. Every major innovation is a chain reaction of scarcity. Abundance never creates breakthroughs. Abundance creates stagnation. Scarcity determines who survives. When resources are limited, systems perform natural selection. Those who waste energy are removed. Those who move slowly are left behind. Those who are inefficient disappear. Those who fail to respond perish. There is no tolerance. Scarcity is a test that cannot be passed by luck. To survive, organisms must change structure, behavior, energy strategy, response speed, even their method of replication. Those who fail to adapt vanish. Those who adapt survive. Simple, cold, non-negotiable. Scarcity builds ecosystems, not abundance. Tropical forests appear rich, but in reality they are nutrient poor. That is precisely why symbiosis forms, intense competition emerges, diversity increases, and biological innovation spreads everywhere. The desert is the same. Water scarcity produces storage strategies, unique pigmentation, minimal body forms, and extreme metabolic efficiency. Large ecosystems are not built by abundance. They are built by limitation. Scarcity prevents the domination of one species. If resources were unlimited, one species would dominate the entire system, consume all others, disrupt cycles, and ultimately destroy itself. Scarcity prevents that. Scarcity creates limits. Limits to growth, population expansion, structure, and complexity. These limits keep life diverse and stable. Total abundance is the fastest path to collapse. Scarcity is the teacher that never stops. Humans treat scarcity as a modern problem. Energy crises, water crises, food crises, ecological crises. Yet scarcity is life's oldest teacher. Scarcity teaches priority, efficiency, adaptation, innovation, and self-limitation. Scarcity shapes how cells move, how organisms develop, how populations distribute themselves, and how ecosystems regulate tension. Without scarcity, life loses direction. Scarcity is the power behind evolution. Evolution is not a story of progress. Evolution is a story of permanent adjustment to scarcity. Nutrient scarcity created new metabolisms. Oxygen scarcity created mitochondria. Spatial scarcity created smaller body structures. Time scarcity created rapid reproduction, and security scarcity created nervous systems. All life forms that exist today are the result of pressures that forced them to become more effective than before. Scarcity never stops. Therefore, evolution never ends. Scarcity gives birth to innovation. Scarcity is not the enemy of life. Scarcity is the architect that builds life itself. Abundance is not a blessing. Abundance is temporary imbalance. It is scarcity that creates innovation, shapes structure, regulates population, organizes dynamics, strengthens systems, and determines who deserves to live. This is the oldest law of evolution. Those who can live within scarcity will live long. Those who can only live in abundance will disappear when abundance fades.